हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य सप्तपञ्चाशत्तमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। Next one is again something similar to the previous ones. We are going to study on some avyayams. They are kila and khalu. Okay, kila and khalu. Both are actually interchangeably used, and it means to confirm certain sentences. So just to say, is it right or am I right? That way, sometimes we ask, right? For those things, we can actually use kila and khalu. So let us see some examples. So it's something similar to va. Okay, and like example, adya shukravasaraha kila. Okay, and adya shukravasaraha khalu. So both are actually the same, but there are certain difference is there, but we don't need to worry about that now. But at present, it means, is that right? Okay, and then another example is bhavataha nama Ramaha kila. Okay, your name is Rama, right? And similarly, bhavan pratidinam yogasanam karoti kila. So you do yogasanam every day, right? And similarly, pariksha samapta kila. So exam is over, right? And bhojanam uttamam kila. The food is good, right? And Ramasya anujaha Lakshmanaha khalu. So the brother of Rama is Lakshmana, am I right? And similarly, vayam Sanskritam vadamaha khalu. So we speak Sanskritam, right? So that okay, and Sanskritam madhuram khalu. The Sanskrit is sweet, right? So these are all a few examples for kila and khalu. And of course, it actually creates a yes or no questions, same as va ending. Like example, adya shukravasaraha va and adya shukravasaraha kila. Both are actually yes or no questions. But the main difference is when you use va, the answer for that is not. You don't actually know the answer for that question you are asking others. Okay, but when you say adya shukravasara hava means you don't know what is the today's day is, whether it's today is a Thursday or Friday, we don't know. You are asking others to confirm that. But when you say adya shukravasara kila, that means you already know that it is shukravasara, but you want to do a double confirmation with others. So basically you already know the answer, but you just wanted to say, am I right? That way. And similarly, bhavataha Ramaha kila. That means you already know, maybe you might know 80% his name is Rama. You just wanted to confirm 100%, so you are asking this question. Bhavataha nama Ramaha kila. So when you say bhavataha nama Ramaha va, so that means you are just having some token or ticket. You are asking everybody who is Rama. In that case, you can actually use va. But if you are very sure, if you are seeing somebody in the outside in the street and you know him is a Rama, then you can actually ask bhavataha nama Ramaha kila. So I hope you are able to get the difference. But this difference you will get only when you start speaking it. Otherwise, you need to just memorize these meanings. But better you speak and use them. And next, pariksha samapta kila means the exam is over, he knows, but he just wanted to confirm with others. And similarly, bhojanam uttamam kila. So the food is good, he knows, but still he confirms. The same way it goes for khalu as well. Okay, and subtle difference between kila and khalu is casually asked, but khalu it's very much true that it is going to be 100% is true. Okay, but still not certainly true, but we wanted to confirm, but still we know that it's 100% is true, but we want his others' opinion also. In those cases we can use khalu, but kila is slightly more or less it is more than 80% it is true, we wanted to confirm. But we don't need to go kila and khalu differences, but at present at this level both are the same. And it is different from va, where when you use va, it means that you don't know the answer, you are asking yes or no question. And when you use kila or khalu, you already know the answer is to some extent, but you want to confirm it from others. Or you know 100% also, you want to confirm it again. Okay, that's where we use kila and khalu. Okay, let us start with some short Q&A as usual, and if there are any questions we can clarify now.
भवतः कार्यालयं मम गृहसमीपे अस्ति किल? Your office is close to my house.
So what is the gender of karyalaya?
What's it?
What is the gender of karyalaya?
Karyalayah.
श्वः कक्ष्या भविष्यति खलु? Tomorrow There is class, isn't it? And
Yeah.
Tubhyam idam pustakam rochate kila. You like this book, don't you?
Yeah, सम्यक् उत्तमम्.
तस्य वाहनस्य वर्णं श्वेतः किल
तस्य वाहनस्य वर्णः श्वेतवर्णः किल
वर्णः श्वेतः किल आकाशः बहु सम्यक् अस्ति खलु
उत्तमम्
धन्यवादः
श्रीकृष्णः गीतोपदेशं कृतवान् खलु Krishna was the one who gave Gita Upadesam, is it? Then Budhavashah kila, was it, it was Wednesday, right? Yesterday was Wednesday, right?
श्वः त्वं मम गृहम् आगच्छसि खलु
आगच्छसि खलु सम्यक्
You are coming tomorrow to my house, no?
Yeah.
मम पुत्र्याः आभरणं सम्यक् किल My daughter's jewelry is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, मम पुत्र्याः
मम पुत्र्याः आभरणं सम्यक् किल
वैशाखः चैत्रपरः खलु
Can you repeat that last two parts? I mean last two words.
चैत्रः परा चैत्र के बाद वैशाख आता है वैशाख के बाद चैत्र के बाद
No, when you use purva and para, you have to use panchami. That's the previous lesson. Okay.
Oh.
So Vaishakah Chaitrat Paraha Kalu. Yeah.
लक्ष्मणः शत्रुघ्नः पूर्व खलु this is also panchami.
Yeah, that's what purva para you have to use panchami. I'm not going to correct this. You can correct it. Yeah, astu.
धन्यवाद
अद्य वयं संस्कृतभाषायां सम्भाषणं कुर्मः अस्ति खलु
Yeah, it will be a different vibhakti, not bhashayam. It's a different tag vibhakti we'll be using it, but we'll study it as Sanskrit bhashya sambhashanam kurmah kalu, or that way. Yeah, next we will of course we need to write 5 sentences on these in the forum. Next one is again another avyayam, that is called apekshaya. It means compared to. That's the meaning of apekshaya. So generally used to compare two things. So let us see some examples, and remember when we use apekshaya we have to use Shashti Vibhakti. So let us see the examples and understand that. So Vijayasya apekshaya vinayaha unnataha. So compared to the winning, the humbleness is great. Okay, the Vijaya is compared with Vinaya. So compared to Vijaya, the Vinaya is better, or it's great. So in that case, as we are comparing with Vijaya, the Vijaya Shabda will be in the Shashti form. So it will be Vijayasya apekshaya vinayaha unnataha. Or, sorry, it is not the winning or the humbleness. It's more than that. It is the name of the people, I feel. Even that also makes the same meaning. So compared to Vijaya, the Vinaya is taller. Even that meaning is also expressed with the same. Okay, the next one is Lakshmanasya apekshaya Ramaha Jyeshtaha. So compared to Lakshmana, Rama is the elder. Okay, and next one is Bhavataha Grihasya apekshaya Mama Griham Vishalam. So compared to your house, my house is bigger, or more spacious. And next one is Lekhanasya apekshaya Bhashanam Sulabham. So compared to writing, the speaking is easier. And the next one is Umayaha apekshaya Lata Krisha. So compared to Uma, the Lata is slim or thin. And next is Raghuvamshasya apekshaya Ramayanam Brihat Kavyam. So compared to Raghuvamsha, the Ramayanam is the big Kavyam, or big work. And Mama Nagarasya Devalayasya apekshaya Yeshaha Devalayaha Prasiddhaha. So compared to my hometown's temple, or my town's temple. This temple is popular or famous or popular. So these are the few examples for apeksha. So wherever we wanted to compare two things or two objects or two persons on certain attribute of them, then we can actually use apeksha. Example for Vijaya and Vinaya, we are comparing Vijaya and Vinaya in the attribute of the height. So in that case, we can use apeksha for Vijaya, and for Vijaya we will be having Shashti to use apeksha. And similarly for Lakshmana and Rama, we are comparing based on their age or the elderness. So again, we basically wherever we want to compare with the same attribute, we can actually use same characteristic. In fact, we can actually use apeksha. So hope you are able to get this. So let us have short Q&A on this as well.
मम अपेक्षया मम पुत्री सम्यक् पाकं करोति.
Meaning?
My daughter cooks better than me.
Samyak.
Compared to me.
हरि ओम् महोदय, गणितस्य अपेक्षया मह्यं विज्ञानं रोचते. More than maths, I like science. अहं संस्कृतस्य अपेक्षया आङ्ग्लभाषायां सम्यक् वदामि. I am able to speak better in English than in Sanskrit.
संस्कृतभाषायाः अपेक्षया आङ्ग्लभाषया सम्यक् वदामि.
संस्कृतभाषायाः अपेक्षया आङ्ग्लभाषया.
It should be Tritiya. We'll read it actually. Bhashya. Bhashya vadami.
Bhashaya, Angila Bhashaya. But apeksha will be the same. This is avayam.
No. The Sanskrit Bhashayaha Sashti Apekshaya Angila Bhashaya vadami. Angila Bhashaya samyak vadami.
Angila Bhashaya samyak vadami. Dhanyawad.
हैदराबाद नगरस्य अपेक्षया मुम्बै नगरं विशालम्.
अन्यानां फलानाम् अपेक्षया आम्रफलं मधुरम् अस्ति.
अन्येषां फलानाम् अपेक्षया आम्रफलं मधुरम्.
ओके ओके यस. अन्येषां फलानाम् अपेक्षया. Okay, sir. Next one is, I want to say Ganga is bigger compared to Kaveri Nadi. So is this correct? Kaveryaha Nadyaha Apekshaya Ganga Nadi Brihati Asti.
Yeah, Kaveri Nadyaha Apekshaya. No need to give again Kaveryaha.
Oh, it's will it be single word or two different words? Sir? Kaveri.
Single word actually. Yeah.
Okay. Single word Kaveri Nadyaha Apekshaya. Okay. Dhanyawad. So one more. So if I want to say these days, or people read news from the phone. Compared to the newspaper, so how will it be correct? Patrikayaः अपेक्षया दूरवाण्याः वार्तां पठन्ति.
Right, but it should be a different Tritiya Vibhakti for Duravani. So Patrikayaः अपेक्षया दूरवाण्या वार्तां पठन्ति जनाः.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
All these words that we have studied today, they are all avyayas? Because this nishchayena, it seems like as if it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, and apekshaya also.
It is. No.
Okay.
It is not Tritiya. It is.
They are all avyayas. Okay.
Yeah, they are all avyayas.
Okay. Dhanyavadah, sir.
भवतः कार्यानम् अपेक्षया मम कार्यानं विशालम्.
भवतः कार्यानस्य अपेक्षया.
ओके. भवतः कार्यानस्य अपेक्षया मम कार्यानं विशालम्. मम अपेक्षया मम पुत्रः स्थूलः अस्ति.
अन्य ऋत्वाः अपेक्षया ग्रीष्म ऋत्वाः अपेक्षया शीतकालः उत्तमः.
Okay, what is the Shashti form of Ritu?
For Dhenu it is also Ukarant and Ritu is also Ukarant. So Dhenvah, Dhenvoh, Dhenunam. So Ritvah, Ritvoh, Ritunam. So if it is masculine, then it will be Ritoh.
Yeah, Ritu. I think that's the form I have heard it. Because I did not hear the other form. Yeah, okay.
Then Grishma Ritoh Apekshaya.
Yeah, that's why it's a good clue. One tip is whenever you try to use Ikaranta or Okaranta, Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Okaranta Shabdas, if you are not sure about the gender, better to use the Haroho, Harehe or Guroho forms. So they are same for both masculine and feminine. Yeah, Astu.
I didn't.
So can you repeat the sentence now? No, I said for Ritu you don't know the lingam, right? So in that case you cannot use the feminine form. You cannot say right Ritvaha. That's wrong. If it is feminine, that becomes right, but there's a 50-50 chance. So better to go for the other form. So Ritoho is the right form actually. That is.
ग्रीष्म ऋतोः अपेक्षया शीतकालः उत्तमः.
Uttamam. We will have forum exercise to write 5 sentences using apekshaya. We can write them. The Sankshepa is so simple. We have studied few avyayams. One is a kintu, it means but. So vrishtihi asti kintu chatram na nayami. So it is raining but still I don't carry the umbrella. That's the example. And nischayana, certainly it means certainly. So nischayana adya vrishtihi bhavishyati or bhavati. So definitely that it will rain today. And prayashah, so prayashah shoha vrishtihi bhavishyati. So probably tomorrow it might rain. And khalu, it means to confirm certain things. So adya guruvasaraha khalu. So today is Thursday, right? And similarly, the alternate form for kalu is kila as well is used. And apekshaya means to compare two things. Example, the previous one, America Angla Bhashayaha apekshaya Sanskrit Bhasha uttama asti. So that way you can use. So there, whenever we use apekshaya to which we compare, so that object or person will be in the Shashti form. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even join our Telegram group. You can find the link for the group in the course page below. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And if you have any suggestions or feedback about this session or the series, or if you have any questions on this, you can also post them in the comment section below. And finally, click on the like button if you like this, and thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.